Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chain and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in the way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in their shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in their way.
Test. Oh, hey, I just have to go on it and back off.
Oh.
Okay, so let's make sure the ducking is also. So you're playing it there so you can test ducking. So.
Hey, there we go.
Okay. Is the ducking working or not? Yeah, I know it was.
Pronounced when you balance the audio better.
We can definitely hear it. Like,
Okay.
there is some amount of ducking.
Oh, hey, this is working.
Alright.
So now let's get the video up.
Tested by putting it close to
Well, I mean, I'm not really.
Are you just using that one?
No, I'm using that as my microphone.
That is not.
That's not. Oh, plug it in. The USB is not plugged in.
I was like, that something seemed wrong, but okay.
Okay.
Well, no, if it's using that as your microphone.
No, that's my video.
Oh, sorry.
This is the microphone in the C10. That was weird. Okay. Hey, okay. You want to adjust that?
You just hold it. Perfect.
I don't know, maybe on top of the TV, pointed at us?
I mean, I feel like this is still better than the time we used the Vive camera.
Yeah, that would Oh man, I have a messy desk. Let's cover that up with more Vive lighthouses. I'll just do this, and then it looks like I intended it or something. Okay. Okay, so this is, I guess, anybody who sits on the couch, if you guys want to move the stuff off the couch. And I guess I could switch back and forth too.
You just changed it. So.
Okay. Oh, hey, that's actually kind of cool. I like that. Let's see if we can get a higher res on this, though. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, that actually looks like it's right. So Spriggs is here. Can you say hi in chat? And can you say hi in chat so I can make you both mods?
Sure. Is this on YouTube or Twitch?
YouTube. Only YouTube. Not Twitch for me. It's just hard to build a community on Twitch. It's a lot easier on YouTube.
So, don't they still Is this considered gaming content?
You can still put non-gaming content on.
Okay. Yeah. Ever since he decided to do the IRL thing.
Why can't I? It's like I can't make you. Right? Oops! Just about to make a random person.
There we go.
Yeah. Super Soaker messaged me or something.
Lower the
Yes, I can do that. So we're gonna have to be moving this time because I have something to do at 5. We're gonna be doing VR and board games and whatever at 5. So, but I think this is gonna be enough time for us to get started. So let's turn down the volume on music. Is this better, volume-wise on the music, guys? Okay.
maybe
Testing, 1, 2.
like 15% of the bar, maybe.
Okay, this has got to be fine on the volume level now.
That's better, yeah.
Okay. Whew. Let's see. So I got a bunch of stuff all going right now. I've got,
This is
what? So I've got this here. This is my little ESP8266 Lighthouse thing. And, well, actually, should we just actually start, I guess? I do have the dynamic volume on. I guess I'll turn that down. Wow, we spent like 15 minutes at the beginning every time trying to fix up the stream. I'll reduce the amount that it turns it down. Okay, is this better for the dynamic volume on the stream? Okay. Whew. Okay. I do that. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, we'll do that.
I don't time.
No. Oh, that would be neat. No, I don't have ability to that. I was just gonna say. So what are we? I guess we should probably. So we're gonna be one unboxing Lighthouse, 2 seeing if we can read the bitstream, and then later on, I guess for like
Time,
yeah, start to actually do something with it. 3, do something with it. Let's see here. Put little new lines.
That'll almost certainly be too large.
Okay, let's make that like 5. Okay.
Great.
4. Hey, okay.
That's not terrible.
That looks pretty good. Oh. I really wish I had the clacker. Yeah, I'm probably not going to find a clacker in like 1 minute if I haven't already.
Probably not.
I don't understand how I keep using that thing. It's not small. It's... Well. Oh well. As you say.
Turn your computer here. Smash the door closed.
Great. Okay, well I guess I can just like clack these two together or something. Sure, let's go. Hello guys, welcome and thanks for coming out to another one of these live stream events. This time it has to do with something very cool. Valve has inexplicably decided to send me some of these gorgeous, wonderful Lighthouse 2.0 devices. Now, these are specifically the engineering types, the prototypes. They're not for sale. And initially, when I was talking to them, I thought that they would have to sign an NDA or something, and I didn't. Completely surprising me. I even, after they offered to send me them, I sent them this email. For full disclosure, my intent with these prototypes is to use them in conjunction with some custom TS4231 sensors, i.e. This little board right here that I have, which is an ESP8266 and a TS4231. It's that guy right. Wow, it's really hard to see that. It's that part right there. So this is a little ESP with a little sensor on it for a single tracking dot that can read a high-speed bitstream. Any rate, I sent them. My intent is to publicly post all the information I find about them on GitHub and YouTube. And if you have reservations about this, I withdraw my request. Well, after I sent that on the 21st, on the 30th, they sent me these guys. So they are here now, and we'll be popping them open and see. Well, not really popping them open. I'm not gonna open it up, but we will be opening the container and see. Oh wow, that's really cool. Let's check this out. They're like actually like screwed in by cardboard. Oh! And with a big metal
That sounds, yeah.
thing, yeah.
It's not like the bad plastic that comes loose after a few hours.
So yeah, this is pretty cool. Here, let me see if I can. Can you spray or can you aim the light back down here so I can get? The light up there so I can get, because it's pretty dark. Yes. So yeah, here's the back of the Lighthouse. Wow, it looks like a consumer product based on all of the stuff on the back here. So I don't know if you guys can see down in there is a little micro USB port, a power port, and it looks like they still kept the aux port for some reason. The I guess the sync port. That's a little bit strange to me, but, you know, say qu'est-ce que c'est. Also, I just realized something. I could probably... You know, we should probably take a picture of the insides without opening it.
Yeah.
I have a...
That's not my
camera for that.
Yeah. Go for it.
Good point from Friendo in chat that we just totally displayed his address all over the internet.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Oh wow.
free stuff, right? You got a camera?
Yeah. Actually, do you mind...
Does it? Whenever you adjust that, or?
I'm not sure right now. I will need a lot of light for it, because all I have right now is the 850 nanometer,
Yeah.
which cuts out a ton.
Do you have a document camera?
A what?
Like one of the overhead cameras?
I don't know what that is.
Like never used. Oh god.
You mean like a
I was gonna be like, oh, you didn't use one of those in school, and then I realized.
Actually,
I have seen.
Yeah.
can you guys... let's hold the... I'll walk over there. If you guys... One of you guys can hold this while I take the picture of the insides.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Totally.
Oh, are you taking the photo and then putting it up?
Spray, just give us the second by second.
They are taking many, not really, photos. And I don't know. You should just accidentally drop one and
Please don't.
see what's inside.
Okay. So for those of you guys who couldn't see, what I have is a camera that has it's been modded to do full infrared.
Oh, sweet.
And so what I do is I filter out all the visible light, and then we can see clear on through the front. So even though this right here looks like it's pretty much black and opaque, it is completely transparent in infrared. So if we we'll plug this in here somewhere, we should be able to pull off the image, and we can go peek and see what the inside of this thing looks like. So, oh boy, I don't know which pictures I have on here, so. Okay.
Oh, that is.
So,
Alright.
this actually, so there's a lot of stuff that we've already known about the HTC Lighthouse VR 2.0s. Actually, I will say that there was a lot of stuff that we knew, but right now I'm actually a little confused. I thought what I got was prototype 2.0 lighthouses, which could do Lighthouse 1 stuff. So I was expecting to see floodlights in here.
Is that not different bars to the side of?
No, those just look like, yeah, those look like they're just for support.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, so there really is just the one rotor. What?
I'm just curious. Alright, that sounded really good with a lot of things.
No, okay. So I guess I'll just summarize for you guys what we actually, what we kind of know about the lighthouses so far. The first one is they no longer use OOTX in order to synchronize the system. So previous lighthouses would flash, sweep, and then between the flash and the sweep, you can know where you are. That's no longer the case. So like they got rid of that system for a few reasons. One is it's a little bit cheaper because you don't need to have all the extra stuff there. Two is because, actually I don't really know all the details as to why they felt the way they did. But, actually, hold on, let me fix the stream here. 700. 750? Oops. Okay. So, the other thing that they did is that they switched to a single rotor design. So previously, what would happen is the system would sweep this way, and then it would flash, and then it would sweep this way. So you basically get an X, Y from where you, like from tilt/yaw, or tilt, what do you even call that? Pan?
No, I think it's yaw.
Yaw would be, yeah, you're right. Yeah, okay, so tilt and yaw from the center of the lighthouse. So you can actually tell where you are, kind of like almost Cartesianly, not really Cartesian. I don't really know how you explain it, it's just,
Probably the right way.
yeah, maybe it's
Or-
something like Cartesian.
Yeah.
So you can know where you are though, without a lot of craziness. Whereas if you look at this one here, this is a kind of diagonal shape that it's going to be doing. So this right here, what this would do is it would project light as a beam kind of like this. So as this thing sweeps around, that's actually a lot more of an aggressive angle than I
Yeah.
would have expected. I thought it would be at like 45s, but it's definitely not 45s. Huh. Well, that's a little surprising. Let's see. Yeah, that's... I think these types of lenses, those are the ones that go this way, right? Like they would...
On that one.
let's pop that open and... So these lenses, they should...
Zoom in on that for a second.
I think they output the beam of light like this. And so this thing would be sweeping this up that way.
Do you think that the lens, do you see like,
What?
there's like a plastic piece that's running through it that way through the center line? Do
So
you think
like
that,
this and
Do you
this?
think that the lens itself is also pivoting? In some way?
I very much doubt that.
Oh,
I'll bet you that there's just this, and then probably either on the backside or to 45,
yeah.
they probably have another thing. So actually, this looks really, really robust. I'm really happy about that. So at any rate, the idea is this is a single rotor design now. And so by having it be a single rotor, it can save a lot of money, potentially longer part, smaller, lighter, lower power, everything is better because it's a single rotor in that regard. So that was something that we've all kind of been expecting. So the big thing though that changes what's going on here is this whole sync on beam thing. So the way it used to work was you had the flash, and so you needed all the extra, let's pull up a picture of one of them. Lighthouse. So what they would do is they would use the, ooh, is there that GIF somewhere? Yeah, here we go. So it would flash and it would sweep each one of the rotors, and that's how it would synchronize. This is engineering prototype. This is not a commercial one. But the big thing was you needed to have these floodlights, so to speak. And the cool thing about this is all you have to do in order to know where you are is detect the presence or absence of light at any given time. Not so with these new ones. These new ones actually encode a data stream on the light that's coming out. So this is all the stuff we've known. The stuff we haven't known is what that data stream looks like. So I'm going to, I guess we'll just go straight for it. Let's power it on and see what it spits out. This is going to be the very first time I have actually looked at it.
them on.
Yeah. So.
Keep working on it. You kept the plastic on.
Are people chatting and it's just not updating on the screen?
It was a little while ago.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
It was you.
Oh, okay.
There's not update.
Please pull off the film.
Oh yeah, wow.
I was originally trying to figure out what they were getting at by having the arrow just
Oh, the film takes off the little.
The film, this arrow, you pull the arrow, it's peel it off.
like, yeah.
I thought this was actually like a decal.
Yeah.
You should probably take another picture now that it's,
Yeah.
yeah.
You want me to-
More
Yeah.
pictures, though.
Oh, you can actually pretty decent for the decal off.
Oh.
Yeah, I can start to see through it now.
Oh, okay. Well, that's actually very cool then.
No, it looks really interesting originally, and I didn't even think it was was filmed because it seemed to be indicating something, and I wonder if that might be a part of the process.
It looks like the glass kind of
Like-
pulls back, or the plastic does.
Part of the setup instructions,
Sides?
potentially. Maybe not, but no.
Can you tilt it back towards the
Yeah.
Can you rotate it side to side some? Like that direction, that axis, like more, like really quickly. More, fast. Like, yeah. Oh, hey, stop. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record that. Go.
Is the rotor moving?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Let's pull open that video because that's actually a really neat thing because you can see the insides much more clearly with that. Oh yeah. Let's
I'll put this down.
Yeah. Yeah, the only thing Valve did make me sign was an acknowledgement that this is still their property, so it is what it is.
So don't wait.
Yeah. I do not own them.
So these are Lighthouse, I'm kind of not up to date with the VR scene. These are Lighthouses for the new Vive
Pro,
that's coming
yes.
out? Okay. Has that released yet?
The Vive Pro, yes, but the Lighthouses have not.
Okay.
So as you can see,
Okay, so there's two of them.
yeah, there's two, and they're offset at about 90 degrees. So it's,
And the actual lenses have a different diameter.
yes,
Okay.
right. So that's how they can tell, I guess, each one from the other. Let's go. I want to look at that again. That worked out. So this one is kind of maybe at a 30-degree angle up.
Yeah.
And this one's at a 30-degree angle up the other way. So 60-degree angle between them. Oh, actually,
Do you think that
go.
the rectangles that are on the side potentially are those maybe? I can't tell if that's just a part of the support structure.
They really look like.
So like over here, because there's a groove or something cut out on the side.
Yeah. So if you
of that support material.
oh, right there.
Yeah.
No, that's clearly just a metal. Like a metal.
Why would they cut out? I don't know.
But I don't know if there's any significance here, but it does angle back. I don't know if that's
Yeah,
design
so-
or if that is.
That's gotta be. I don't know. I keep saying things like, "Oh, it's gotta be design," and
We
then you
should-
go find out
We
that
should
there's
really
some like
plug it in
critical.
and see what actually it's. trying
Yeah,
to
let's
spit
do
out.
that. Okay. Well, let's plug it in and also look at it too.
Yeah.
Under infrared. See what it. I would love to see that. So we have 12-volt power right here.
Peter on the stream says that it might be blinders to control the emission of how the beams go out. So that
Oh.
makes sense.
Okay. So it is powering up or something. Something's vibrating this table.
Is it spinning maybe?
Oh, it could actually be it spinning. Hey, cool. Okay. You can visually see the.
Do they have a letter indicator like the last ones?
What do you mean a letter indicator? Oh no, there is no
ABC.
No indicator.
Alright. Just an on-off light.
Oh boy, that is wicked. Oh, no card. Don't need that. Outlaw, do you mind getting the door to Adam's room?
Which one?
Just the door to his room. We should probably record at 60 FPS, right?
Is that the fastest one to do?
My camera, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, where is the option for that?
Yeah, I think that was part of the song.
What?
there was like beeping coming.
Oh yeah, it's this is my yeah. So all the songs I'm playing on the live stream, I actually either have explicit or like direct permission, or it's under like Creative Commons. So all the music I'm playing, I'm actually allowed to play. That is provided I have the
credit right there.
right, and the credit is both in visually and in the text of the stream. Oh, here's the. I was in the wrong menu. Ah,
Does your camera have an HDMI output or something?
it does. How would I take that into the computer though?
You would need some sort of capture card.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go shoot this thing. Yeah, you can see that maybe they're offset some.
Ever so slightly? Yeah.
Maybe we should try to... So right now I'm going to be using the rolling shutter to try to get a pretty fast shot at this. Actually, that's weird. I wonder why it... I wonder if it's not actually... if it's doing bursts instead of just a continuous emission stream.
I think we'll need to...
Yeah, I don't have anything that can go that slow. Okay, I'm about to show you guys on the internet this so you can see it too.
Yeah.
It's really cool. I mean, you guys can't see it right now, but it looks awesome.
It might be a bit easier
I
to
wish
see.
you guys could see what we're seeing right here, right now.
Oh, they'll be able to see it soon.
Soon. Give or take 7 seconds.
Is it really? Wait, what is an M? What? What is that file doing in there? This is the right file. Uh-oh. What? Why can't it play it? Okay, let's try that again.
Huh. Just a heads up, your chat stopped updating on the side.
Oh, bummer. Oh, I think what I need to do is restart the... I gotta figure that one out. It's this other process that does this one. Type something. Huh. Huh. I couldn't get the new token because I had it as sudo.
Oh.
Actually, really what I should do is just not have sudo. It doesn't need sudo. Okay, now. Ah, spectacular. Okay. So let's record some of this video.
Peter thinks that it's blinking and that they're encoding binary in the blinks.
I mean, that kind of makes sense, but... Actually, that's kind of cool. You can see the inside of the thing there with the rolling shutter. And we can also see that they're operating at, I guess that's about 120 hertz. So if we pull out to 60... Yeah, it looks like it's slightly less than 60 hertz. so I can put it right up to the face of it. Yeah, that's interesting. Maybe it's also just that it's because the laser line is just scanning across the... Oh, I know what we can do. I can point it this. Aha! That is a good way to do it.
Huh. That looks about what the angle of the emission should be.
I think it'll change if I flip it upside down, yeah. Just not much though.
No.
So maybe if we pull this out further. Let's filter
Yeah,
it
you
out.
are still seeing it on. It's not super. I mean, like you can see it.
Yeah, it's kind of rough. I had this thought that maybe if we could move it out far enough, we could actually see the light. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Show the children.
Yes, we will show the internet what we have just seen. And hopefully it will actually have recorded this time. Hey! Cool. So this is what we were looking at. You can kind of see the thing rotating around in place. Let's see, how can I do that? Can I do, Does anybody remember on the chat how to slow down video in VLC?
I think you go up.
View? No. Video. Playback? Ah, playback
There you
speed. Slower. Slower.
Slower.
Okay.
How slow as you're gonna get it.
So some of the things I wanted to kind of touch on that I noticed was one, even though...
just a heads up.
Oh, man.
It is very green.
Oh. But it's okay if I play it back in the other player, right? Like, this is good, right?
Yeah, wait.
Let's see.
It's fine in the other player.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I guess we just have to deal with it. So one of the things you can kind of see, it looks like this thing really lights up right here if the rolling shutter of the camera is open when the beam hits the rolling shutter of the camera. So it's not like the beam that it's emitting is actually just like this. But yeah, but I guess right here you can kind of see reflecting on the inside of the lighthouse itself. This is kind of the beam that it's making. Yeah, and so yeah, you get the same effect. So it's when it's in the rolling shutter, it just looks bright, but you can see the effect on the inside of the lighthouse of what it's actually doing.
Something to use. Slower camera.
Okay, let's go a little bit further ahead.
But yeah, you can definitely see the angles there. And then this is the actual project. No, this is...
So this is a little bit weird because this is being projected against the box, but it is still rolling shutter from top to bottom, so it makes it really kind of hard to see. So I think the angles are probably steeper than what you see there. Uh-oh. 50 RPM. Hey, thanks, Ben. So I take it.
Do you think we
This
could
really
set
is
this on
okay.
Phone with those.
Sampling camera to do ultra high speed stuff. Oh, that's a cool idea.
Yeah.
Do like take a shot, but take a shot, but do so like at offset periods so you can get a really clear picture of what's moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool. A little busy right now. So
You what?
let's set this lighthouse up right here. And let's try capturing a packet and see what it looks like. Here we go. Let's hope this doesn't crash the ESP. Oh, great. It's just not even working. Oh, come on. Oh, I did the wrong project.
You're talking about the PDF from Triad Semiconductors, right, Peter? Oh, yeah.
Can you guys hear Jason when he talks?
I think. Yes, Jason can be heard.
Cool.
Where did I put that?
So here's the data sheet for, I believe, the actual sensor in the Lighthouse for this model.
Right, I have actually on this board has the TS4231. So that is the
Yeah.
data sheet for the TS4231. Huh, where did I put that? Yeah, I said it would be superseded, but when did I supersede it? Man, did I leave any hints? I didn't even leave any hints for myself. Yeah, great. Charles, come on.
Were you sleep coding again?
No. Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe it's in here? Is it? No. Oh, great. Well, I did it. Which laptop did I even do it on? Oh, man. Uh-oh. It's a little concerning. Maybe it's a different branch? No. Okay, let's check this laptop. I'll be really embarrassed if I just don't know where I put the code to, oh great, this laptop did the thing where it freezes when I log out. Okay, we'll test this laptop and I will check the laptop downstairs too.
Peter, out of pure curiosity, I'm looking at your YouTube channel and I see your videos there. What is this Steam VR mug you have?
Oh. Don't want people seeing the password.
Alright.
hey, there we go. That looked promising. No, it wasn't. ESP Tracker. Hello. Okay, it's called ESP Tracker. How do you... Oh, I forgot how to do that. Git forgot to recurse submodules. Okay. Oh, come on! Oh, it's burn. Oh, hey, it's doing stuff. Cool. Okay. Oh, that's not what I expected to see. That's not...
So, yeah, what are you expecting?
Something that looks like data. So there's another problem going on here. There's this secret word that nobody knows what is. I mean, I don't know, Peter, if you're allowed to tell us, because it might actually be secret. Inside the TS4231, when it first wakes up, is this... oh, great, where is it? There we go. Is this kind of secret configuration word, and nobody really knows what it is right now. Right now, 39.2b, I believe, is the value of... Oh man, come on, Ben. Well, how about this? Can you confirm or deny that 39.2b is the correct one for using these particular base stations? Because that would be really helpful. Man, I totally would have expected the licensees to know what that was. So at any rate, oh, by the way, one of the other kind of funny things is I spent forever trying to get this thing to work with the example code on the TS4231. I probably spent about 40 hours, and then I finally found out it was because their code didn't put in sleeps, and they were just assuming that the processor that you would be using would be slow enough to talk to it. Except the ESP is just so fast when you talk to it, it was outrunning the TS. So, anyway, so he says that that should be good. Let's see if it ever actually did do the reconfiguration. Let's reset this whole thing here. I'm thinking something might be wrong with the code, because I can't imagine that that's the right bitstream.
The data sheet has the timings.
Well, not the timings for what the bitstream means, right? The timings for how to configure the chip. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Let me go pull that up.
Want me to send you it?
I was just gonna go
Yep, that's it.
top one.
No, second one.
Oh. Oh, whatever. It's right here.
Oh, well, you accidentally bought 50.
I already bought 50. They are cheap as dirt. I am so happy that they made these cheap. Yeah, it just has the timings for the protocol. But nothing that says what the protocol means, because what we're actually after is that stream and trying to understand it. That's actually a really good question. What is the... Okay. So 5, 6, 10, 9, 8. Okay, let's see. What is the actual frequency we're reading the stream at? Oh, you know what? This code might not actually be able to see the stream inside of there. You might have to go tweak some stuff. Okay, first let's see, what speed are we actually sampling at? Okay, it looks like we're sampling at 20 hertz. I think we can bump that up to 40. Let's try that. Or not. It does not look like it. Okay, let's go back to 20 hertz. Or no, that would be 40, not 80. I guess you just can't do 80. Let's try that. Let's make sure it still works. Once you figure out what it should be, the other values aren't that interesting anymore. Oh, okay. My guess is that it has to do with setting up the internal filters for what it would consider like the long and short as far as like the bandpass range of the expected carrier. That's my guess of what those values are. So at any rate, let's go see. Let's see if we can calculate what my thing thinks it is. Yeah, this definitely looks like my thing is losing data in there. So we might need to... I wish Super Soaker was here now.
Yeah.
Because he has the scope that can actually like read this. Nominally though, I would say that this is about 9.5 bit slices. So... Oh. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay. It says it's 4.14 megahertz, 4.2. Yeah, okay. Actually, never mind. My thing did decode that. Except for the data where it's losing the data.
Yeah.
4.1, maybe about
Is that
4.1 something megahertz. What were we gonna ask?
Oh, do you think it's just like losing data, like it's not able to sample it fast enough, or?
So I think what's going on is I think that my thing is like, oh yeah, you have all this stuff going on, and it just keeps skipping over because it was originally designed to do FDM on the previous version of the lighthouses. So the idea with those was I would only be looking for frequencies. I wouldn't care about the actual data within it.
Gotcha.
So let's see if what I'm doing there and see if there's some way around it.
Mobius Horizon thinks that the data is encoded as the irregularities.
What do you mean?
I
Wait,
don't know.
what does he
Just
say?
reading I'm reading interesting things from chat too.
Okay, hold on, let me go take a peek at an easier way to read it. Oh, my first guess is seeing the waveform and the data is encoded as irregularities of the waveform. That's possible. Wish I had a... Hold on, you know what? Maybe I can find some better way to actually send this data out. Because I have all this stuff for decoding the main carrier frequency, which I don't need. What I need is the raw... Although that is, I think, the raw, now that I think about it. Hold on. Something else that's going on here. No, this one definitely doesn't have a chip or anything getting in the way. Okay. The bug buffers. That's what I'm after. I wanted the bug buffer. is R. Oh wow. Okay, so the debug buffer is like the raw. I think. Unless I'm misreading that. R. R is the data.
Yeah.
Data's coming in. I'm recording it to the debug buffer. How do I get the data out of the debug buffer? Yeah, no, the capture is definitely not right. There's something's going on there. What's going on? I don't have a scope that I can easily look at that with. Advances, so let's try that. Oh, no, weird. Okay, so it actually does look like that. Oh no, that looks interesting. Okay, let's try this a few more times. Oh, hey! Okay! That looks much more... I didn't do anything different, but that looks a lot more interesting. Oh, wow. So those pulses, when they're on for almost no time. 1 clock cycle. Okay, so maybe we just can't sample faster. Yeah, this is way faster than what I was prepared to deal with.
How fast is the clock cycle?
Ben, I do not have access right now to any kind of thing that's going to be a raw photodiode with a lot of bandwidth. The highest bandwidth that I have is one that I think kind of tops out around 4 megahertz. That was from way back when I did my custom TIA thing. So I don't really have the option of looking at the raw stuff. That's why I really needed the TS4231 in order to go do this for me. Oh, thanks. Never mind. So what? So I have to speed up the sample rate if I'm going to go make this happen.
How fast is it currently sampling?
I thought it was sampling at 40, but I'm probably wrong. It should be able to go, the ESP should be able to go up to 80. Should also be able to overclock it if I need to. Unless I'm already overclocking. It's already overclocking, that's just great. It's not going. Great. I might not even have a way of reading this at the full speed. Well, I did actually prepare for this eventuality. And by eventuality, I mean I hoped it didn't happen. Where did I put it? Oh, it's over here. This thing.
Oh. Okay, you're just gonna...
So, we're going to go way out on the experimental ledge right here. And this is a little FX3 board from Cypress. And we can at least give this a shot. This might work. This is absolutely horrifying that I've never done any logic analysis with this, but we might need to at this point.
That's the one that you... It's not meant to be a logic analyzer, but
yes,
now it is.
Yeah, actually, you know what we should probably do first is hook up a cheapy little knockoff Sele, and then make sure that we actually can't see it with that, because that would be the simple answer if that works. But if this signal really is as fast as it looks, then there's just no way this is gonna work without that other analyzer. Or Super Soakers if he shows up.
Super Soaker's on the way. He'll be here at some point.
Okay. Oh, interesting. Why is there a capacitor there? There should not be a capacitor there. I literally have a capacitor on the... I don't know why I put that there. I have a capacitor between the data pin and the input. So that could also be contributing to why I can't see a very clear signal. Ouch. Forgot things get hot when you solder them. And also, you probably shouldn't leave things on when you're soldering. Okay. Let's at least see what happened there. That still didn't help. This still looks like trash. Okay, let's try the other logic analyzer. Though the fact that we're seeing pulses that are at least 1/40 millionth of a second wide, yeah, this looks like we're gonna have to go do something esoteric now, or I don't know what you would call that, out of the usual to work with this. So, at any rate, let's go hook this up. Black to ground. Plug up the other two pins. So, documents, logic.
I'm not really seeing anything as far as like potential frequency could be out of the data sheet.
Yeah, this is not gonna fly. I mean, that is super tight.
Jeez.
Oh, 16. Well, we might be able to bump it to 24, let's see, maybe. Maybe we won't be doomed. Okay, that's a little weird. I mean, okay, that's actually very interesting.
Are you sure that that's
10 megahertz?
Real. I mean, I think it's real. Okay, well, if it's 10 megahertz, I should be able to completely see this. What is
Probably
going
move the base and the sensor for that.
Okay, can you do that for me, Outlaw?
yeah?
Okay, if you can just move that, I guess, over to my computer. Is this cable gonna... Though I really wonder what's up with that. Why would the envelope line go low, high? That's just bizarre.
It is doing it
Repeatedly.
Yeah, like there is a pattern to it.
Yeah, I wonder if it's trying to tell us something.
Does it would it default to a I can't see a central control kind of thing when it's not on? Or?
Okay, wow. So what basically this means right here is that I don't know what's going on.
Do these lighthouses actually communicate with each other?
I
Is it
don't know.
looking for another one as a part of this?
So something. Yeah, I think that this thing just can't read that fast. Oh wait. Irvin. The ground fell out. Let's try that again. Okay, so now it's not doing wacky stuff anymore, but it is like... We're still getting a continuous bit stream. I don't even know how that's possible. And also, there's no way that it's been, like, open for that long. He says they communicate with each other.
Oh.
Blue light turns white when they are in a good mode. And then Ben just said they don't communicate with each other. So...
Fight.
I think I know who's gonna win. Okay, so... Actually, this looks like a reasonable bit stream.
Yeah.
So maybe we actually can
It
be...
doesn't look like it's.
Okay, what? That's just drunk. So this...
Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah.
You
I
can
am-
tell when the world's smallest car pulls up the world's largest mansion.
Oh man. You
I'm
guys.
surprised they haven't started doing dogs. Your neighbor's like blown up. They're burnouts sitting in their front lawn, right?
I don't think my neighbors like me very much, no matter what. So I really wonder, what is this mess here that keeps going on? Oh, yeah, it's a good idea. Hey, Spriggs, can you go get up and turn the lighthouse off? Or block the lighthouse with something. Okay, that was good. I started capturing when it wasn't blocked, and then you blocked it. Or, okay, maybe I didn't get enough. Okay, try now. Okay.
Okay.
So this thing is still outputting some sort of mess even when it's...
Yeah. This should be blocking any like. Okay.
This is dubious. What is this frequency? Why would it just be continuously? What is something maybe around here? Yeah. I have all the other Vive lighthouses off.
Could it be the camera that's up there?
Are you reading the clock again? I do remember that problem. I don't think that's what's going on though. Actually, you know what? Let me just double check.
Do you want to tell the lights?
What?
Yeah, this is not a Sele. This is a Chinese analyzer. Anyway,
I brought the other one.
okay. Yeah, we're gonna
A little
have to.
probably late for that.
No, we're gonna have to bust that other one out. Alright, there's just no way.
Did you install software yet?
I have not installed software. Actually, you could do that on my laptop there if you
The
want.
Prospect?
Yeah, you can install it in Windows. Reboot it into Windows. So, everybody, Super Soaker is here now. Everybody say hi, Super Soaker.
I can give them your
Hey,
wait,
good
what?
language on the stream.
Yeah, he's gonna get unmonetized.
To be fair,
Yeah, we definitely need it, because like, I gotta know if this is real here or not. Because this doesn't make a lick of sense.
Hey, I brought a bunch of these cables that I wasn't sure that you had a bunch of, because
Who knows?
who knows?
Super Soak, everyone say hi to you.
Hello. I'm just off camera, hold on. Hi.
Right now I'm desoldering the DAT line from the ESP entirely. So hopefully I'm not picking, oh no, unless the ESP itself is, yeah.
Do I want to hit quit to exit Linux?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh, that would be really sad. Oh, come on. Yeah, but I haven't depowered the chips since we've done this. I guess I have to. guess I have to reattach it too. Watch me like I've already zapped it or something. Oh, that's a good point.
We have not configured anything. This is the first time.
No, we have. It automatically configures. Like, so the code I'm running configures.
Oh.
I haven't configured the Lighthouse, no. But I have been sending the config words for, apparently it's just not even working now. Let's see, what does the terminal say?
Is the camera on the wall IR?
Which one? No, that's visible.
No, the one behind you.
Yes, we
it
could.
on?
It is not. I can only do that over IP stream. Which you could, if you want, take the orange cable there, plug it up. We could try to do that.
To turn it on or turn it off?
What do you mean?
I don't actually know what I'm talking about. I'm just reading things from chat. If you hear someone say something smart, if you hear me say something smart, it's coming from chat.
Oh. What is going on? Why is this still talking? Okay.
Charles, is this connected to your Wi-Fi yet on Windows? Doesn't look like it. Do you want to type in your key?
Oh, I can just tell you.
Oh, okay.
Speak directly into the microphone.
Everyone was chatting while he said it, but I think I got it.
Yeah. So the thing is, we've already given away his address on this live stream. So probably shouldn't also give away his Wi-Fi password.
So,
Why? If they're gonna come over, they may as well already know.
what is going on? Why is this?
Is that a cordless iron any good?
Yes! It is a spectacular cordless iron. They're like the really old ones.
I'm clearly didn't hear that right because
Oh.
of some
Let me.
some bumpkins.
Oh, do you want me to type it in?
Yeah, you can just.
Yeah,
Are you
please.
reloading ESP on every run?
And then
And
tell
each
me
run it tries to configure
what it is.
Yes, every run it reconfigures.
Ben brought that up as some point of
It's a view button.
Yeah, I got you.
Ben said important.
Okay,
thing.
I
Okay.
was wrong, that's fine.
Yeah.
Go look at the stream. Each run it tries to configure. Yeah, it tries to reconfigure an already configured
Are
sensor.
you
Is that a
reloading
problem?
the ESP on every run?
I'm not reflashing the ESP on every run, but it is reloading the sensor on every run. Which, now that I think about it, it probably shouldn't.
I'm so glad that your mailbox is signed in because I sent you an email with what I need to install.
Ooh, I should not leave my email signed in on that.
Well, I mean,
Windows is not secure on that laptop.
I already closed it, so
Okay. Well, I mean, it doesn't auto log out.
yeah.
After you configure the sensor, it's in the
Right.
mode.
It's in the mode that I want it to be in. Okay. We need a talking banana to read the chat.
Oh no, not the
Well, Mark,
talking
if you want to
banana.
go write it. What is SDA hooked up to? Oh, that's right. I forgot. There was an IMU hooked up to this board. Yeah, all of the pins are disabled, so it shouldn't be getting nastiness there. Oh, well, thank you, Ben. I was not expecting that. So that's what we will do. We will test that. I will depower it and repower it. And we will see.
Are you just trying to make this a logic analyzer currently?
I
Or
want to use it as something I can at least look at a single thing at high speed.
Were you watching the live stream at all, or at least listening on the way up?
No.
Right.
I was
Something is going on.
I was
here.
actually listening to Undertale. I don't know if Charles told you, but at one point though I was falling asleep in traffic, so I had to get a Red Bull. Because it was just like a cloud of white in your eyes, and
What's going on?
you're not going very fast, so like your eyes all of a sudden would like turn everything to just like white and like start
So I-
painting things. It was like not good.
So I depowered it and repowered it and sent the config word just once, and it still doesn't work. So that's just dandy. Okay, well, how about this? Let's at least look at what the config word is and that we're sending it and make sure that everything looks right.
Test this on one of the older lighthouses first.
I did a while ago. Okay, so it's waking up. I woke up. Okay, seriously? I don't see where it's actually doing the configuration. Oh, maybe this is the configuration. Yeah, it probably is. Yes. Okay, so it does the configuration. It's all happy. It gets a pulse. And then, I don't know what's going on there. Yes, it does look about right for the config. The first one, this one here. I don't recognize what's going on here, though. Oh, that's a good question. Let's see. Which order am I loading the bits in? Let's pull open that data sheet.
There we go.
So that's the low bit, then it goes high, and I'm saying right, and then I'm saying, just wondering, can you guys hear me when I'm kind of mumbling like this? Like, you know, this here. So low, this means right, and then it goes 1, 1, 1. Do you mind writing this down for me?
1, 1.
Sorry, 1, 1, 1. So no, it starts off starting 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Something? I don't know what's going on there. I don't know what that is. What am I? Let me look at the code. Okay, can you convert that to binary for me? 392D, okay. And it is that MSB first or LSB first? Oh, great. Does it not say which? Oh, okay. So it's probably MSB first. But it does not clarify. It's a little annoying. Yeah, I think Peter's right there. So is that MSB first for what you just did?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I'm getting that part right. Let's see, does it still read if I have it completely hidden? Seriously, where is it getting this mess? Let's hold it up. Let's just take another peek. So this looks good for the envelopes. Yeah, we definitely need something with better resolution than this awful logic analyzer. Am I still getting chat messages, or did that just drop out again?
No, you're still getting chat messages. This is up to me.
Okay. It says it refreshed, so hopefully the tokens work.
Is that refreshing that fast?
No, refreshing my OAuth token for YouTube. So the chat, like this whole, mess thing keeps working.
How do the fireworks work again?
You type in boom or moob. I don't know who said moob, but it was a good idea. So do you think you have the software installed?
Almost. I'm just downloading it. I installed the drivers, which was a pain, and then...
I'm gonna go swap this for the other one, just in case something's wrong with this TS4231. What?
They want to start again. No.
Is it not working?
It's working. They're just doing it.
Oh. Oh, okay, I see.
I mean, I didn't expect anything else.
Don't think elements.
Hey! Okay, so this one apparently behaves.
Oh,
Hey! I don't know what's wrong with the other one. Maybe that the TS4231 over there lost its mind. So I am really confused by this.
yeah, it doesn't look right.
Why are there two notches? Also, let me flip this back around. Why are there two envelope hits? I switched TS4231s. So that definitely looks like a bitstream. So 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Unless, okay, so it could be any number of things. It could be, I don't know, it looks a lot like Manchester to me. Maybe with like some NRZI. But I still don't understand why there's three envelope ticks. Yeah, that looks like a total mess. Yeah, how long until I don't want to use this analyzer anymore, Super Soaker?
I mean, it's installed, I'm just... Now I gotta remember how to use the logic analyzer. I think.
I really wish I understood what we're seeing with the... It's almost like pre-echoes. Or echoes. Ben says to measure the E and V timings, the envelope timings. Oh, can I have the connector from you?
What connector?
The one so I can hook this into this other board.
Yeah. Would you like these or these?
I would like to solder these onto something. So what I'd like to do is, well, I mean, I don't know. You need a.
It's just grounded in the pins. I don't know my
Oh, wait.
breakout.
Can I actually use these pins for analysis?
Yeah, those are 0 through 7.
So like if I plug into pin 7 and 6, you can actually monitor that at a high speed?
I hope so.
Reflection.
Give me.
Oh, that is possible.
Sorry.
Uh,
Oh no, Charles.
so this is very reflective. We don't need this for this project. Oh, okay. Still very strange stuff going on.
He's thinking like on the board.
Oh. Yeah, like one of the connectors.
Oh, bums. What's really opaque to infrared? Electrical.
Yeah.
Or you know what? Hold on. No,
Gaff, right?
Yeah, gaff would be great. But it's gotta be.
Dude,
I don't have any in my car.
what?
I have some. But we gotta make sure it's actually infrared opaque.
Solder globs or something.
No, I don't think it's gonna be solder globs. Well, bad news. That gaff tape is quite bright in infrared.
Or move the base way further.
That actually would probably do.
How much further can I go?
I don't know. You know what? Here, let me open up my truck. If you can run out to it in the back, I have a set of tripods in the back seat for the Vive.
Okay.
So if you can get one of those out here. Then you could set it up literally anywhere. Yeah, this is what gaff tape looks like in infrared. It is pretty bright. I guess I could just hold it like this. Oh. That actually worked. That's rather concerning that that's necessary, but... So what I'm doing is...
Aluminum foil should be up.
So this is what the board looks like. And I think it might have been reflecting off of those black connectors there. So I held my finger right there, and it seems to have helped. But if we have the lighthouse very far away, it won't matter. Do you mind depowering it before moving it around suddenly? Sorry. I mean, it's probably not as susceptible as the old ones to torque, but it still is a big spinny bit in the middle.
I'm not even thinking about that.
Foil-backed tape. Oh, yeah, so it doesn't continue through. No, I actually do have foil tape. but we don't want to block it. I just kind of want to mask it off so it's not getting reflections. That's probably pretty good.
See if it reaches.
Yeah, or actually, you know what? I have an actual... Thank you guys for coming over. This is a lot of fun. Okay, now we are twice as far away yet. Let's give this a shot now. So it's blue. See if we can catch it when it wakes up, and it's white. Oh, that looks a lot better. Okay, so this is the envelope. So this is when the beam is passing, it is clear. And this is the bit stream coming off of the whatchamacallit. Let's also see what the ESP says. Oh, ESP, where are you? Can one of you guys see if you can see the ESP on the network that the ESP creates?
The receive.
Yeah, that one.
Get a password?
Okay, hold on. Just reset, so it should be good now. It should have no password either. No, it should not anymore. I just reset it right now. Let's make sure the ESP doesn't get inverted. Yeah, I don't understand what's up with this, but I totally believe that Ben might be right about it, like losing its mind after you configure it if it's already configured. I never would have thought of that as a... Oh no, actually, okay, so here's a funny thing. When I was first trying to work with these little TSs, I initially was like, oh, I will try every possible config code and record what comes off of it. If you can't just keep going, then it... Oh. That makes me sad that you can't just... Anyway.
What did you need it to do?
Sorry, what?
You wanted someone to do something with the ESP?
Oh yeah, I need somebody to connect to it and visit it.
Right, thanks.
Oh, cool. Click the Lighthouse button. Click display info. Ooh, that looks promising. Okay, click that. Do it a few more times. That looks like a bit stream to me.
It's very...
Yeah. But like what I see on your screen here, is there a way of maybe... Okay, you can stop right now. Let me...
Yeah.
If you can also disconnect. Service network manager restart. Is that gonna fix it? Hey, it did fix it. See, make sure everything on the stream is going well. Yeah, I will definitely. If I knew that about the TS beforehand, I would have definitely. Why is that? Is that focusable?
It's really boring. I think you're in the middle point.
That's perfect.
Leave it in 1 minute, you know?
Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Do I get comms back? Okay. find it shocking that synchronization information is acquirable through this bitstream. I also can't wait for Super Soaker to finish this thing so we can find out if this is real.
It's giving me a hard time. I don't know why.
So now that looks like trash. That looks real. I don't know why sometimes it looks like trash, sometimes it looks real. But, I don't know. I definitely am starting to think that this might actually be something legitimate here. Like if you, like Spriggs, I don't know if you want to take a
Let me
peek
see
too.
if I can bring it up. There we are.
Like to me that
Yeah.
looks like some sort of like encoding scheme there. Though it's
Not super different from what we were seeing previously.
no. Like it looks like there's occasional dropouts too,
Yeah.
but for the most part it looks reasonably well behaved.
Chat's dead again.
Yeah.
Okay, can somebody type something to test the chat?
Yes.
Okay. Gotta work on this tool set. But the important thing about the audio being tracked is still going on. Okay. Actually, you know what I kind of want to do is I want to do a few more caps with this and see if what this thing sees really is as trashy as what the ESP sees. Yeah, I would definitely say, like, yeah, I would definitely say that. Look at that. That looks so similar. So how would we go about decoding this, do you think? Just try to record as best of a conversation as we can? Like as much data as we can and then hope that people on the internet start to go for it? Which, by the way,
We're not seeing anything super useful. I think actually,
and every time I don't have my hand on it, the data just looks like trash, so I don't know what to do about that.
yeah. Do you want to try and connect to the controller?
Actually, let's try this. If I hide it behind cardboard. Oh, actually that might work. I will use the box to... How will I do that? It's just peeping its little head over the edge of the box. Wow, that looks like good data.
So I could probably use reflections then.
Oh, that would be an interesting thing. Well, as of right now, it looks like one of my boards is broken, and I only ever made 2, so probably can't do that. But I think that what we probably should try to do is to get a much longer conversation. I just realized something. So chances are I'm theorizing here, is that if you have a bunch of TS4231s on the same physical sensor board, it probably uses all of their bit streams together to figure out what the bit stream is. So like when the beam starts hitting the first sensor, you could start reading the bit stream, even though it's going sensor to sensor, and the first one might not see it anymore. At least one of the sensors at any given time probably has access to that bit stream.
How would you deal with like duplicate pickups?
You could probably just OR them all together. I think, right? Like they would all be receiving the same stream because it's the same source of light as it's going across.
But if one starts to see it, and then another one might not necessarily see it, and then it switches from one to the other. How can you tell where the actual break is?
I don't think you need to, because so.
You're just close enough together that it's no problem.
Well, what I'm thinking is if you use the envelope, this little thing here, this is when it's like, I got it. And so if you're tracking that I got it right there, and then that's what matters to know, okay, this censored exactly this time. But if all you need to do is to try to get a good picture of the data stream, you could probably collimate or like gather together all of the data from all of the sensors and be like, this is probably what it is.
Yeah.
Any luck?
No. I'm gonna go grab one of my laptops. Maybe it's.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm inclined to believe that. I don't know what's going on there. What is going on there? Is that real? No. Apparently not. Oh, wow. So it looks like when it's completely obscured, weird stuff happens. So, yeah, I really worry the ESP is somehow interfering with the TS4231's ability to do its job. So I think all of this stuff here is just trash that's somehow coming from the ESP. I guess we could test that by disabling the Wi-Fi. Or I could disable this. Let's disable this. How do we do that? How do you stop the transmission? Let's stop it. Yeah. I need black electrical tape. Adam, do you know where any black electrical tape is?
I don't know about black, but I can find you some.
It needs to be black.
I can't guarantee that. Is black
The room on foil?
Yeah,
There's some rainbow. I'm sure that's helpful.
Well, actually, let's just see. Maybe it is. I don't know.
Do you have also a mini USB cable?
Mini, yes. In that black backpack right there.
This one.
Yes.
I think my cable's also slightly too large.
No, I would say that tape you just handed me is almost completely white and infrared.
Well, it's got kind of a shiny thing to it.
Yeah. Bummer. Well. What?
I found black.
Cool.
There you go. Let me see.
Oh, yes. That black electrical tape is actually black and infrared.
That's neat.
So now I'm more worried about all the noise that might potentially be coming from the ESP, and maybe that's what's causing. Also, this electrical tape is no longer tape.
There's also gaff tape.
We've discussed on the internet, and just, wow, this is really bad.
Welcome to electrical tape.
Does that?
Oh. First thing I would say is very much stably secure the base of the TS. Confirm that those are static positions, get reliable and repeatable data stream. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try to at least get rid of all of this extra nasty noise.
Hey, Adam. We have a
Hi there.
bunch of packages outside.
Outside?
This
Yeah.
is what
they're,
it
they're not
actually
getting wet, but they're under the.
Thank you for making the Thai iced tea, Adam.
Oh, is that what I smell?
Oh gosh, it's awful. What is... No. Thai iced tea smells good.
Yeah.
What is...
It's about to get like that.
What is up with this bitstream?
That was perfect timing.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just throw on some extra stuff.
I'm gonna laugh so hard when you figure out what this bitstream is.
Well, I can't even figure out what all the noise is. I mean, I don't know. The bitstream looks straightforward enough if we're actually capturing what we think we are, insofar as being able to get to the data. But I would imagine that there's still going to be a lot of crazy stuff going on to actually decode the data. Which, by the way, we only have 35 minutes left in this part of the stream before I've got to go for a little while. We'll probably be picking up later on this evening.
30 minutes until the tea's done.
I might have just installed the wrong version of the software because they made a few different ones now.
I need tweezers.
Ben, are you speculating, or do you know something that you're not allowed to tell us?
Ben made it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I guess somebody should have filled you in on that one.
Yeah, okay, so everyone in the chat, just tell me how you're important. I mean, it doesn't have to be necessary to the Vive, but just... Yeah.
It's some old wireless protocol.
So the first thing I'm going to try doing is add a little bit of resistance to ground. Because I'm worried that could be influencing. Oh, great. I lost that. What is Ben sending Peter?
The... Don't know. Oh, Ben sending Peter some of the 2.0 faces.
Oh, cool. Does it just not operate at all when you have a resistor on?
I mean,
Not gonna go?
Is your web GUI drawing the waveform?
Yeah. Well, as best as it can, which probably isn't very good. What is super handy? This. Somebody just said something super handy. I want to know what it is. My Wi-Fi is busted. Can one of you guys connect it again?
To the chat.
No, to my ESP. I want to see if it's just the logic analyzer that's not seeing anything, or if by adding that. What?
Oh, sorry.
I can't hear you.
I'm gonna
Okay. Or if it's like actually not able to operate with a 1K resistor. I probably should have made it way higher too.
just check the lighthouse frames.
Say what?
Check the lighthouse frames.
Yeah.
So is this the new?
Oh, so it is. So something's just wrong with the. That's the new one, yeah.
This is very cute.
It's sleeker. It looks nice.
Oh
Smaller.
snap!
Snippety snap.
Oh, Windows machine running smart. Is this? Okay, it is working. Okay.
Your Wi-Fi is really slow, by the way. Slower than it was earlier.
Really?
Yes.
Hmm.
I mean, you are streaming, but like, it's significantly gotten slower.
My Wi-Fi?
Your wireless.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with it. Like, I can't even. So click it a few more times, because for some reason I can't seem to get any analysis to actually come in. And it just says there's nothing, but you're getting data. Yes. Well, sometimes. Let's just try undoing what I just did. Probably also add some more.
Oh, I just got kicked. Did you?
Yeah, I just turned it off, sorry.
Wonder if Tommy Hum is saying that maybe we can find like a local hackerspace we have like scopes. I'm wondering if maybe Unallocated has scopes for
Oh,
this kind of stuff.
that would be interesting.
We scheduled a meetup day for there on September 1st, if you're interested in going out.
For which group?
Purple Sweater.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you guys can also just come down to Virginia.
Yeah.
I know.
I think you would really like it just for a day. You should come out.
No, I want to go to Unallocated. I'm just saying, like, if you want to get like a good enough scope and also logic analyzers, we have them at Nova Lab, but I couldn't bring them with me, unfortunately. Actually, I kind of can. I don't know, but I would feel really bad about checking out the scope.
I really think there's probably something wrong with my power rail on here. I think that the trash that's coming off the TS is actually coming off of it, but I think it's probably my fault for that happening.
Alright, this is actually working now.
Okay, give me a few more seconds. I'm going to give up with this not a Sele and see what happens.
I need a meter with a beeper, if you have it.
It's cheaper. It would also be in that black bag. So I think the goal for we should, as best as we can, try to get in some position where we can record some form of data for the internet to start crawling through. We only have like half an hour left for that. Yeah, and then we can come back later on this evening and start to actually try to do something with it.
So yeah, I did install the wrong version. I didn't know there's two different models of this unit now.
Come on. I have a window here somewhere. Oh, why are you dead? Oh, it's not plugged in. Please have data. And it is even dirtier now. I added another capacitor. If I hold my hand like this, does that improve it? No.
Wait, so you are using the Chinese logic analyzer?
Yes, but not a Sele. How about this? Let's switch over to yours, because this is just absolutely infuriating. How long of a... Or actually, if you could just hand me... Can I go on pin 6 and... Whoops!
That's all good.
Can I go on pins 6 and 7?
Sure, why not?
Mark's wondering if the new Lighthouse stops transmitting directly with the old one.
We can find out.
Maybe if we said maybe we could spin it the other way at 3,000 RPM.
Grounds are the bottom, the one with the pin missing.
Mark, I understand you like bad ideas, but you said grounds are the ones missing?
The ground with the ground's the row with the pin missing.
Okay.
What was the idea? I like bad ideas too.
You spin the lighthouse backwards at 50 hertz times 60 is, 3,000 RPM, and then the beam should be stabilized, so it'd be easier to analyze.
Oh.
So, in theory, if you spun the outside at minus 50 RPM,
Okay.
it would constantly, very constantly, if you
I see data. And not anymore. There we go.
Minus 50 or...
or maybe it's
Can
not.
you, pause it, or, can you capture a specific chunk of data?
Yeah.
Second.
That's not good.
Hold on.
No, we should be seeing, trigger on channel 7, and then... Oh, wait, this isn't that go. You guys can't see Super Soaker's screen, but...
Digital.
Looks more like
Yeah,
a
logic.
call trigger.
Logic analyzer. Which one?
Channel 7 is the one that you should be triggering on.
I honestly don't know if I just put a... If I...
Ben says he never thought about how difficult this would be to reverse engineer from snippets. That looks more like a protocol. Oh, hey, there. Why is that trash? Oh, God. You know what happens if we underclock the ESP back to...
Yeah, I got a triggering now on that. Looks like.
Is it still awful?
Well, only because of me. I don't think I'm getting anything now.
Mark says he wondered what happened if you put a diffuser across the face of the lighthouse with the DS was like 2 next to it.
That's actually a really cool idea.
Yeah, everyone else said it once.
Yeah, okay, we should totally... I want to figure out why this is... Let's try resetting it one more time here. Oh, hey. No, it's still not working. I guess it just can't operate at 80 megahertz. This might be a bust on that. I'm gonna unhook your thing momentarily. Something is going on that I can't even get this thing to trigger.
Oh, okay.
It's still not working. I've done broke it. Oh, I burned it with the wrong firmware. Okay, let's try actually running it at 80 megahertz. I disconnected you. I'll get you back in a few minutes. If I can just get this thing to just do something. Okay, it thinks it's going now, so let's try it.
Yeah, there you go.
Ah, okay, but it still has trash, but it's not as bad. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna try is lots of trash. Oh, that's Super Soaker breathing. You are hearing Super Soaker breathe.
Oh, hi!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Maybe mouth breathe for a while. ESP 8266. Open.
That's weird. Can they see this right now?
Yeah, they can see. Oh, now they can. Oh, hey.
Sorta.
Zoom out some. Like, increase your time base some.
Is your TS423 volume code on your GitHub?
It is. It's called ESP Tracker.
Okay.
Okay, can you see, make sure that the ESP is not currently broadcasting an AP? Or at least, like, if you try to connect to it, that you can't?
Broadcasting.
So if I take my hand away, it's noisy. If I put my hand right here, it clears up. So clear, dirty. Clear, dirty. So yeah, I think the ESP is somehow interfering. If we do Mark's system though, that probably won't interfere too bad.
What was this idea?
His idea is put something that's diffuse in front of the Lighthouse and then record a much longer bit stream and then post that to the internet. Sampling happens by the I2S bus in the ESP8266, so that doesn't really impact it. It can just kind of record and go. Yeah, it's all in hardware. Yeah, I understand the envelope thing, but if all we're trying to do right now is we're trying to get some data to give the internet to decode the bitstream, that's probably what we would want. I'm trying to think of a good way of recording a large chunk, though.
Well, yeah, what's the bandwidth? Like, what's the speed we're dealing with?
We're dealing with around 10 megahertz. Actually, I'm just wondering, can you record that channel for a long period? What is the maximum length of time you can record a single chunk?
It's been a while. I don't usually normally use the logic analyzer on this one.
Yeah, so right now I don't care about the envelope, I care much more about the bitstream. So I'm trying to think, maybe we could just... What is the maximum that we can record debug-wise? I don't care about the frequency denominator or any of that other stuff. Say 512. That might be enough time to get a full sweep in. Hey, do you mind rummaging around trying to find something diffuse we can put over in the front of the lighthouse?
I don't know what that would.
Like maybe plastic of some sort?
Hey, plastic, like.
I guess something kind of translucent. We should probably also move the lighthouse closer. I'm gonna disable that thing. So hopefully the goal is get at least some sort of data out to the internet before I have to go.
There's a little bit closer.
Do you have like the parchment maker? That would work?
That would probably work. I don't know if we have it though.
Yeah, look.
Oh,
see-
Mark! Mark, you were... What? It's such a good idea.
What did he say?
You just said point it at the wall.
Charles, do you see this? It's
What?
making a new file for every frame.
Okay, but what if I don't want a new file? I just want one file.
Nope, can't do that.
Okay. I want a lot of data if I can. Like,
I don't know what format the file's in, and I don't know how it's saving it, but it's just every single frame it pulls off, it saves it.
yay.
Good enough.
Should probably just try to use the ESP for this. Except now I can't connect with Wi-Fi with my desktop for who knows why. Uh-oh. Ben. Ben.
The wall idea or what?
No, I think it's the wall idea that Ben is poo-pooing. Oh, come on. Wall OP, please nerf. Please continue. Yeah, we should just do the wall thing. And actually, hey, can you unhook the lighthouse and let's bring it over here? And, no, Super Soaker's doing, no, oh, crud.
What?
It is, yeah. We'd have to unplug
we got
it.
the DC.
Yeah, if you unplug it from there, and you can plug that into the power strip here, and then we can bring that around here.
I mean, you also got the 12-volt power supply right there.
Right, but we already have that. Whatever, it doesn't matter anyway.
This is
No, unscrewed from the base. We'll be pointing it at like the whatchamacallit.
we have this guy right here. Look at that.
So where are we pointing?
I'll be putting it on my desk, pointing. Whoops. Pointing at this piece of cardboard.
Man, if only we had like a really high-speed camera.
Yeah, I don't know how high speed. Yeah, you would have to get a camera that's capable of like, what is that? You'd have to be capable of like 10 mega frames a second.
That'd be awesome. Honestly, it would be clearly awesome. Wait. No, they do have a camera that does that, but promise that.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That'll work.
No, it won't work very well.
Okay.
I'm gonna break down this stand one minute.
Hey, actually, that's actually really weird. It is so confused right now.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, great. I can't even get. Oh, man. Can you connect into the wireless again on that?
Yep.
Oh, he wasn't talking about the wall when he said it wouldn't help. So then what was he talking about when he said it wouldn't help?
Huh. The wall is strictly a good idea and an improvement over short captures.
Can you connect it now?
Yes, I'm on. Do you want to do the frame fold?
Yeah.
Okay, again. That's crash. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with my network manager here. Man, why is that not working now?
448 by the way.
Yeah. Try calling a few more times. So it's useless. Okay, try again. And none of that looks like the good data that we were getting earlier. It just looks like the same repeating groaning stuff over and over. We're gonna have to come up with some other scheme of capturing this data.
Having a longer sequence of bits won't help
He says it will or won't.
you. Won't.
I find that hard to believe. But every time I have found something hard to believe from Ben, I have been wrong, so. Looks like we're not going to be able to get...
We should really take notes on the cryptic things he says. Solve it that way.
He hasn't been saying many cryptic things. I don't know. Does it save chat history? At least today.
I used to have the Discord thing running, which saved chat history, but I don't right now. Oh, you know what though? I have a chat log right now. I can back it up.
Oh.
Yeah, this looks like utter garbage.
That honestly does right now.
What?
That signal.
It just, I don't know.
It looks kind of like a garbagey noise.
Let's try just plugging it back into my my not analyzer for a little bit and just take a peek, and then I think we're gonna have to call it quits for this stream for right now, and just come back later on this evening.
She's ready.
Okay, I don't know why the ESP can't read the bitstream, but there's definitely a clean bitstream here. Also also, this looks very different from the bitstream I was looking at earlier, so I don't know what to make of that.
I thought about just capturing the value when channel 1's low and seeing what value you get out of it.
What do you mean, value?
Treat it like a number? No, it's probably too much. Never mind.
Yeah, we'll have to just find some other way to capture. Okay, if Sele can decode this stream, I will spend this whatever $ Texas it is for new Sele. If it just works somehow, then they'll just get my money. I'm just saying that right now. I hereby promise on stream that I will buy a Sele. I will eat my words if it can actually figure out like what's going on. Like if I can export this as an actual data stream, decode it into... I really shouldn't have done that because now I'm pretty confident that it can. But...
You need to buy you one anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't you have a good logic analyzer yet?
Yeah, okay, fine.
This is money.
Fine. Although I don't see anything here that looks like it would be a reasonable...
Mainly you just go like the challenge.
In this episode, Charles goes bankrupt.
No. Don't you have a Patreon?
I do, but I don't make any money off that.
Smash that super.
What is this?
what's
I've never
the
even
super
heard of
chat
that.
function or whatnot. What's it called on Facebook or YouTube?
I don't know, but someone needs to say boom.
Boom.
Yay!
Or discovers torrents.
How do you do... Okay, Manchester. Let's just do Manchester and see what comes out. Are you serious? It will export. Okay, it has no idea what's going on. I don't think I have to worry about my money flying away right now.
Hey Adam, do you have a Sonoff? Say a Sonoff is like this ESP powered that AC switch. Dad of Charles might have one. I don't know.
Ben says when he designed it, he originally started by capturing the CLA and decoding the Python.
Man.
It will export to CSV.
Well, if he knows everything, why isn't he here? Good question.
Oh, come on. The spit stream is just... I know you can do it.
China.
Why? What kind of settings does it want? Three? Okay, let's try 3. 3 megahertz. Is it just not gonna work?
I don't have a spectrum analyzer anymore.
I was using the what do you call it? The funky little R radio thingies for that. So those are definitely not Come on, I know you can read it. Just don't even try. Did I just crash the protocol engine in the Sele software?
Type of 60 megahertz. as
Oh,
600.
thank you. Okay. So it's not 6. Let's try 4. Let's try 5. Okay, it's not 5. Let's try 4. Okay, what? That's not how Manchester works.
God damn.
What?
This is what we have, man.
Why is... I just don't know what I'm doing.
The Sele protocol decoders are asynchronous and run through another thread, so they get weird latency.
Yeah.
He's never used Manchester module. It would probably want a 60 megahertz differential Manchester.
6.8.
So 6 megahertz.
Yeah, it's not getting it.
He said he made his own. He had to make his own custom plugin to decode.
Yeah, it's not decoding. We've got to go anyway. Well, looks like we'll be back later on this evening. And I might end up being $700 poor.
Was it that much?
They keep raising the price.
I thought it was 400.
I thought it was like 3. All right.
It used to be
I thought
3.
you wrote your own. That was just as good.
Well, I never actually wrote any software for it. I just got it to read into bitstream, and it worked ridiculously well for $45 from DigiKey.
So that one I have over there uses the Silicon Labs chip that you like, I think.
Yeah, it's $6.99.
Do you know what time you'll be coming back online?
4 hours from now. Well, 4.5 hours, because it'll take another half an hour to get. So let's say 9:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Silicon Labs. Why is it so expensive? Whatever. I already went over this. I gotta give up. I know at least that I'm assuming we need to have, but maybe there's another solution. I don't know what you mean by that, Mark, but if you want to come up for the part 2 of the live stream tonight, that would be cool.
Charles, if you want, I can go down to Virginia, bring up you an HP 1630D.
Is that something I can record a complete bitstream to disk with?
Maybe?
Pacer says maybe Wireshark could decode it.
Yeah, but I'd have to get the data in some form that Wireshark would be able to actually look at it.
CSV?
Maybe.
But yeah,
maybe
but
we can
I
find out
can't
what
output to
what
that yet.
Okay.
Python module was he using? Maybe some more hints.
I am so frustrated by this. This is...
What Python modules did you load into your Python scripts?
Can you run this particular command on your computer?
Hey, Packer, if you come back later on tonight, we'll totally be having... I'll find some way of getting the data out of this thing. It's probably going to use the ESP to sample it and send it. And then we'll have a nice, big, fat bit stream to go dig into, even though Ben Jackson claims that that won't actually help. I don't understand why the Manchester module in this is so bad.
See.
Yeah, I know. I tried differential at 6 megahertz, and all it does is just say 1, which is just wrong.
What else does it say?
1. Like,
Does it ever say 8?
no.
That'd be nice.
I mean, maybe it's a 3. I don't know. You won't even run at 3, so I don't even know. This is just infuriating.
You can get a decent 2-channel scope from Keysight for that price, and then hack it to get all the software options. Might be more useful than a USB analyzer.
Why would you do that if you just get a Regal and then hack it with a 4-channel for 300, and then get it to read out all the nice things?
Why don't you get
Why don't you just build your own?
Well, I kind of already have sort of built my own. It's sitting on my desk. I just haven't done it.
I should just go get the scope from Nova Labs. I don't know.
Same way as XP?
You should just come, hang out with us, and play board games, and then we come back and we keep, like, pounding our face into the wall.
That sounds fun.
I mean, it is. That's what this whole point is. We just come here and we...
I would much rather play board games. than
Ha!
play it.
Blue Spec says we could have just decoded it manually by now. Oh, yeah. Actually, wait.
A, like...
Can we do that? Can I just export the...
They have done Nova?
You can export it
Yeah,
as
it's
CSV.
a lot of
Export
channels.
data. Export. Choose which channels. Channel 0.
It's like, imagine if you had to debug a whole computer. You need to know everything the bus is doing in multiple places.
I got something for that one. That might be good.
Yeah, I think
That sounds
I
like-
have no idea how to get the data onto a disk.
Brilliant!
You need.
Hey, somebody figured this
It
out.
has like a tape interface. What did they find?
Okay, we can actually just export as a CSV, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it, and then all you folks will be able to, oh, you know what? We haven't had music going for a while.
Yeah, you were
Um,
busy and I didn't want to bug you.
So, no, okay, so what we can do is I'm going to upload this as a gist, and then I'll send it to everybody in chat.
It's not a gist.
A GIF?
I got the guys who might not like it in the IR scopes.
A what?
IR scopes, they might have something that doesn't involve the guys in the background.
IR? No, it wouldn't be IR, it'd just be high speed.
High speed?
Yeah, but something I can save to disk. But I don't think it even matters anymore, because now it looks like we might just be able to use the piece of trash Chinesium thing that works.
I wonder if Micro Center has Salies. That would be really nice if they did.
They might.
Right?
They have a website.
Yeah, I don't really want to... I don't want to buy it, but it looks like I might be
I'll,
eating my words.
What if I split ownership with Charles?
No.
Split custody.
Well, actually, I'd be up for split custody, because I very rarely need it.
Would it be useful for the RFID payment module?
No.
That's like
No, that's so slow.
so many channels.
Well, it's $100.
That's an old school, back in the day, probably as much as the car logic analyzer. You can get it for 1,000 now.
1,000. That's how you want to do it.
People
for
still
100.
chatting, or
Chat died, but
you mean died?
your log.
Yeah, let me see that now. No, I want to see what
Okay.
Micro Center has on the store.
Okay. 4231.
What did you check?
Hacking the Lighthouse read to data from Sele.
The sample rate will go higher with fewer SATA channels.
You have to reiterate what he said.
Time to, and then
Wait, Can I not upload? I guess you can't upload, can you? Okay, fine.
Add file.
I did, I clicked it. Didn't
Oh.
work.
Are you?
Adds more.
Okay. Yeah. Copy pasta.
Yeah, let's compress this. $6.99K. I'll just upload that to the GitHub. This is public, right? Everybody can see this, right? ESP tracker? No, that's not what I wanted.
Do you just have it up as a repo?
Yeah, I have it set up as a repo.
Yes, I can see it.
Adafruit has it for $300.
They have a regular, I need the pro.
Oh.
I'm like, there's no reason to get the regular one in any situation ever. Not sure where he captured. I don't know what that question is. Okay. Okay, everybody, go buck wild. Oh wait, I put it in the wrong place. Whatever. About to go offline. Okay. Okay, thank you, Mobius. Everybody, go for it. Go forth, hack. You have 4 hours. Figure out what the stream says. And we'll come back a little bit later tonight. Hopefully, we'll also figure out some way to record off the ESP or try to decode it maybe off the ESP directly. Woot woot. Goodbye.